Boeing Company is very dedicated to Lean Plus, very dedicated to training our employees in Lean Plus, very dedicated to what Lean Plus can bring to the Boeing Company. We have a requirement to improve the supply base, specifically the small business base.
We want our products to be of value. We want to continuously improve those products. That won't happen if we don't try to get out there and work with some of those suppliers.
What we've created is a Lean Plus integration guide that aids anyone across Boeing in their efforts to eliminate waste, reduce costs, and increase value.
These tools have been proven within the Boeing Company. Now we're trying to export these tools out to the supply base. If we can help the supplier reduce their cost, maximize their profit, and reduce our price, that's a win-win for all of us.
It's in our interest to show them what they can do to increase the value for them, and then that in turn will increase the value for Boeing.
Part of the tool set that we have available to us in Lean Plus is high-performance work teams. And within that, it's being able to engage in the environment and with those that we're going to go work with, and being able to open up channels of communication. That way we can develop the relationships that are required for us to move forward.
This is not going into a supplier and saying, you have a problem. This is going into a supplier and saying, we have tools to help you be more successful.
The elements are a lean diagnostics, which is basically lean assessment, lean training, lean education, Lean Plus activity, and employee engagement and involvement.
Seeing how these various tools that are out there that are available to everybody in the Lean Plus toolbox, to see how those various tools can be tailored is really exciting to see.
From the assessment that's in there, to the Lean Plus education, to the lean activities, to the employee engagement, what we've done was created an integration guide that brings all of those together and says these are the items available.
We've created the vehicle to extend Lean Plus to our supply base.
We entered into the Minna-Protege agreement between the government, certified manufacturing, and our Fort Walton Beach site. And our desire was to help enable this supplier to be more competitive, not just for us, but just more competitive in the environment.
We have capabilities of doing laser wire marking. We build wire harnesses and cables, circuit card assemblies.
Certified Manufacturing Incorporated is a small business. It is a small woman-owned business that does electronics, cable harnesses. They do printed circuit boards. Over the years, they've been able to develop a lot of unique capabilities that we require in support of us.
The enterprise does a great job of putting these resources out there for us. But it's incumbent on groups like ours, the IT Lean Plus Program Office, to integrate.
We've really developed a unique relationship with Certified Manufacturing Incorporated in that not only are we helping develop them to be competitive, but we are helping develop them into competencies that really are not core for us.
If we do that successfully, it's a win for Boeing and a win for the supplier.
It allows us as the Boeing Company a broader range of those things that we can compete on. Now, we may not have it internally, but now we have a supply base, and specifically a small woman-owned business that can support that and provide that activity for us, and it allows us to bid on more contracts.
They feel like what we did for them helped them to get better at trying to identifying improvement opportunities and actually trying to implement them.
If another small business is lucky enough for Boeing to come to their door, I would say stand there with open arms and think of yourself as a sponge. Because everything that they teach you will do nothing but benefit your company and benefit your people and benefit your bottom line.
There's no doubt in my mind that the tool that the team has come up with is a tool that can be used throughout the entire Boeing company.